Mojo!
Today we're going to memorise everything we need to know about anaerobic respiration in animals, which is when respiration takes place with no oxygen. Make sure you also watch the video on respiration so that you know what that is all about. Anaerobic respiration usually comes up in exam questions about the effects of exercise, so let's remember it by visualising an athlete. Are you ready? Meet Anne. She's an athlete. Anne is sponsored by Anaerobic, which reminds you that this is about anaerobic respiration, of course. When Anaerobic trains hard, her heart beats faster, she breathes more deeply and more rapidly to get more oxygenated blood to her muscles. Anaerobic has an old stopwatch she uses to time her training runs. The tick-tock sound makes her legs move faster. But today, Anaerobic's watch is broken. It no longer ticks or tocks. You could say her broken watch lacks ticks and it lacks tocks. Lacks ticks and lacks tocks. That helps you remember two important things about anaerobic respiration. Lacks tock sounds like lacks oxygen, which reminds you that anaerobic respiration happens when there is a lack of oxygen. Lacks tick reminds you that lactic acid builds up during anaerobic respiration. The lack of ticks and the lack of tocks affects Anaerobic's training. She can't run as fast. She releases less energy. This reminds you that anaerobic respiration is less efficient than aerobic respiration. Much less energy is released by anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic has had to borrow money to get herself a new stopwatch. She's gone into debt. Think of it as a lack-toc debt. Lack-toc means lack oxygen in this story. So Anaerobic's lack-toc debt will remind you that anaerobic respiration will leave you in oxygen debt. After exercise, you need to repay that oxygen debt by supplying more oxygen through your blood. So visualise Anaerobic, the athlete, exercising, breathing hard and deeply and with a fast heartbeat. She has a broken stopwatch, lacking tick and lacking tock, so she doesn't have the energy to run as fast. And buying a new watch leaves her in debt, oxygen debt. And that's it. Don't breathe until you've done the quiz and worksheet below. And please rewatch this video when we send you a reminder. Meanwhile, thanks for using your imagination.